The Corona Fire Department needs your help. As we continue to be on the forefront of progressive emergency patient care, the Corona Fire Department is initiating a new way to deliver emergency medicine within our city. The pre-hospital blood transfusion program can give the citizens of Corona an improved chance of survival in the event of a traumatic injury. Trauma is the fourth leading cause of mortality in the United States, and more than 30% of trauma-related deaths are due to massive hemorrhage. By providing blood transfusions in the field, the Corona Fire Department can greatly improve the chance of survival in a trauma patient. The Corona Fire Department is asking for your help by donating blood to our blood transfusion program. Our next blood drive will be held at Corona Fire Headquarters, December 11th from 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. Join us in making a difference in our community by donating blood today.